shoes. 17 years old shoes. Yes, by Morisky, handmade those days in Italy. And the sole was coming off. Of course, it's been done in Mexico, India, Brazil, Argentina, and England. The sole was done several times to last for this long. Imagine the leather on the out, how good they were. Anyway, the sole was coming off again since I last did about 4 years ago in Italy. And it was time for me to get it fixed here in Japan and see what they have done. Look at the name. Michelin. This time I've got the grip to keep walking. Yes. Don't know if you'll be able to see the original Morisky. Don't know, a lot of people probably don't even know. But handmade upper sole and undersole and inner sole. There's so much to the shoe. How many countries it has walked. But this time, done by hand here in Japan. See how beautifully it's finished? It's almost as if it's